best plastic trim adhesives restore loose car trims, ensure durable bonding, resist heat and moisture, and improve overall vehicle appearance. My today's video is about top 5 best plastic trim adhesives for cars that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Woldo Clean Super Glue for cars. Woldo Clean Super Glue for cars delivers a fast and reliable solution for automotive repairs, making it ideal for both interior and exterior applications. Its powerful cyanoacrylate formula bonds quickly to emblems, badges, bumpers, trim pieces, and dashboard cracks without requiring clamps or activators. The heat-resistant and waterproof design performs exceptionally well under harsh weather conditions, from intense summer heat to freezing winter temperatures, ensuring long-lasting durability. One of its biggest advantages is compatibility with multiple automotive materials, including ABS, vinyl, polypropylene, chrome, fiberglass, glass, and painted surfaces. The glue dries crystal clear, leaving no messy white marks or stains, which helps preserve the vehicle's original appearance. The anti-clog cap is another practical feature, keeping the adhesive fresh for repeated use. With just a small drop and 30 seconds of pressure, repairs hold firmly for years, making this adhesive a dependable choice for quick, professional quality car maintenance. Now our second product is Craftprot's Automotive Super Glue Liquid. This automotive adhesive stands out with its ultra-thin cyanoacrylate formula that easily flows into tight gaps, seams, and microcracks where thicker gel glues fail. It creates nearly invisible bonds on trims, dashboard parts, headlight housings, and other hard-to-reach automotive components, making repairs look clean and professional. Designed for cars, trucks, and motorcycles, it bonds plastic, rubber, and metal surfaces with impressive strength and durability. The industrial-grade formula is built to handle demanding automotive environments, resisting oil exposure, engine vibration, road shocks, and extreme temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 230 degrees Fahrenheit. Its precision dropper tip allows accurate application without messy spills, especially on clips, seams, and wire harness mounts. The anti-clog cap keeps the adhesive ready for repeated use without drying out. With its generous 1.76 ounces XXL size, this glue is ideal for garages, body shops, fleet maintenance, and emergency repair kits, delivering dependable long-term performance under real-world driving conditions. Our third product is 3M Super Strength Molding Tape. This automotive mounting tape delivers professional-grade bonding performance for securely attaching side moldings, trim pieces, and emblems on both vehicle interiors and exteriors. Its high-strength double-sided adhesive creates a permanent hold that resists peeling, vibration, and impact, making it a dependable alternative to screws, rivets, or messy liquid glues. Built with durable 3M VHB technology, the tape withstands harsh weather conditions and extreme temperatures ranging from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 250 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring long-lasting reliability in all seasons. One of its standout features is its super conformable design, allowing the tape to bond effectively on irregular, curved, and textured surfaces without losing adhesion strength. Installation is incredibly simple: just cut, apply, and press firmly into place with no special tools required. The aircraft-grade adhesive strength provides impressive metal-to-metal bonding capability while maintaining a clean, factory-like appearance. Overall, this tape is an excellent solution for quick, strong, and professional automotive trim and emblem installations. Now number 4, JB Weld 50139 Plastic Bonder Body. JB Weld Plastic Bonder is a powerful 2-part urethane adhesive designed for fast, durable repairs on a wide variety of materials. It performs exceptionally well on thermoplastics, thermoset materials, carbon fiber composites, coated metals, PVC, and even concrete, making it a versatile solution for automotive, household, and workshop projects. The 1-to-1 mixing ratio keeps application simple and user-friendly, while the quick setting formula begins curing in just 15 minutes and can be sanded after only 30 minutes. One of its biggest strengths is the impressive 3,770 psi tensile strength, delivering a permanent bond capable of handling demanding repairs. The adhesive also works effectively as a gap filler, helping restore damaged or uneven surfaces with professional-looking results. Its black finish blends well with many automotive and industrial applications, creating a clean appearance after curing. Trusted for over 40 years, JB Weld continues to provide dependable bonding solutions, and Plastic Bonder lives up to that reputation with strong, long-lasting performance indoors and outdoors. And our last choice is Automotive Trim Molding. This body-side molding trim kit offers an excellent combination of style, protection, and versatility for vehicle owners who want to preserve their car's appearance. Designed primarily to protect doors from scratches, dents, and everyday impacts, the molding can also be applied to other flat exterior surfaces for added defense and customization. The universal cut-to-fit design makes it compatible with most cars and trucks, giving users the freedom to create a clean, factory-style look on virtually any vehicle. The 18-foot roll provides enough material to complete a full vehicle installation, with extra length available for additional trim applications. Its 2-inch width and durable 1/4-inch thickness offer solid protection without appearing bulky or unattractive. Installation is quick and simple, allowing drivers to enhance both aesthetics and durability in just minutes. Manufactured in the USA by Dawn Enterprises, this molding kit reflects high-quality craftsmanship and dependable performance, making it a smart long-term investment for protecting a vehicle's exterior from daily wear and tear. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.